Hello my wonderful kids. So today we are going to make our own sand castle. Isn't it amazing? So let's get started. Just keep your notebooks ready, any blank paper or your sketchbook and a pencil and an eraser. And let's get started. So first what I'm going to make, I'm going a line. The line should not be straight. It can be moved because sand is not straight. So on this, what I'm going to make, a little door like this, and then a line going up and same this way. The distance should be same at both the ends. So like this way, and then going to add a design so that it looks something like a castle. So for that I'm going to move, go up, little design, then going down and this way. Now again going like this, little slanting, and then little outside. So after doing this, I'm going to add one line and give a shape like this. So now going up and giving a V shape over it. Okay, and at the end I'm going to make a triangle over it like this, and then a triangle like this, and you can add a circle over it to make it look more beautiful. Now coming down, just make the line little big, and then at the end of the line a straight line and the same line here. The distance should be same at both the ends. Then making it little outside and then going in, giving the design of a castle like this, going up, down and close. Same down, up, down, up, down, up like this. So once it's done, now I'm going to give a shape of a window inside this part and going to add 3 more windows here, 2 and the 3. So once this is ready, now the next part is to give a shape of a window here, a very simple shape. Top of it going a small line so that it looks like a sand castle, and then the line where it ends have to be moved little down like a curve, giving an effect of a sand and water. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 like this, not much. Now once this is done, then just add 3 lines here like this, and then I'm going to add a little big line starting from there till here, a curve and like this. And at the last, what I'm going to do now, here I'm going to give a U shape, a handle and a shape of, make another same shape inside. So now once this much is done, add one more line here and a straight line here. So Once done, add a little line here. So here the sandcastle is finished. And now it's time to do the sketching part. So for that I'm going to pick my black marker again and slowly I'm going to highlight my drawing with the black sketch pen. And I'm very careful while doing that so that my art doesn't look messy. Like this, you have to hold the sandcastle with the black sketch pen. So kids, here the sketching is done and now the time to add colors. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick my brush pens. Now you can use even your sketch pens and very slowly going up to down, filling my sandcastle with a yellow shade. This slowly. You have to be very careful that color don't goes out from the boundaries. Like this way, I'm going to hold my sandcastle with the yellow color. And see the strokes, they are very clear because I'm giving them in the right to left direction. So if you give the strokes like this, either at right to left or up and down, your art will look perfect, more beautiful. So like this, here I had finished with the yellow. And now it's time to pick some red. For red, I'm going to make this flag red and also see, isn't looking beautiful? And some more yellow. Once you are finished with the yellow, then pick some blue, the light blue shade, and try to make some water below this line, adding one more line. Why I am doing this? So that it looks like a wave in the water. Okay, and then I'm going to pick some little dark blue and going to merge this blue like this with the light blue. And again I'm going to give the strokes like this so that it looks like a waves coming in the water. Okay, this. So once this is done, the next part is to give this castle a sand look. And for that I'm going to pick my brown crayon and going to highlight this with the brown crayon so that it something looks like a sand. This. And here some darker. In the windows I'm going to put little dark and outside little light, as you can see. And then little dark light inside. Here in this part. Here also little light in this part. Same with this. And now some dark in this. Beautiful sandcastle is ready. Isn't it looking beautiful? So kids, you can make your sandcastle even on your drawing notebooks or your papers. And the last part is that I'm going to write something on this, and it's like that I learned it on, so where you learn this? On Kidsnuggery, like this. Now your sandcastle is ready. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, keep creating your sandcastle. Okay? Bye bye kids.